Bros, how's it? Welcome back to the channel. Football, Betway Premiership football is back, officially back, like the league is now back. Last week we saw MTN 8 opening up. Sundowns, Orlando Pirates and other teams were playing in the MTN 8. Now we have the Betway Premiership football coming back, the league. Okay, we have Orlando Pirates versus Sekhukhune United, and we also have Sundowns versus Chippa United. That's the reason why we are making this video. These are the predictions, my predictions. You guys can also drop your predictions in the comment section below. Okay, bros, I'm gonna start with Orlando Pirates versus Sekhukhune United. Orlando Pirates are coming from a very, should I say, a very comfortable win for them against Mamelodi City in the MTN 8. It was a good win, that's what I should say. In the first half, they won the game in the first half because the goals were in the first half, scored in the first half. Beautiful goal by also Napolis, and it was a beautiful team goal. Sihlanduli passing, playing with Ray Topane, beautiful pass, and then Ray Topane sets up also Napolis. Beautiful football, and then there was a penalty there. Okay, and then the game, I think the game was pretty much done after that. Orlando Pirates in the second half started giving everyone a chance. Even the players were new, like Mariko. They started giving everyone a chance because they saw that Mamelodi City were not fighting, so it was an easy game for them, I would say. It was a very easy game for them. Now they are coming into this game by Sekhukhune United. The Sekhukhune is winning with 3-2 in the MTN 8 against TS Galaxy. Not a very impressive win, but bro, they still won the game. And Sekhukhune United finished 4th in the league last season, which was very impressive in my opinion. So Orlando Pirates, as much as they are this scary looking team, still bro, this game is not gonna be an easy game for them, because Sekhukhune United, hey, are that club that can cause a team problems. So we're gonna try and make our predictions out of these two games. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with Orlando Pirates losing 3-1 this game. Yeah, Sekhukhune United are winning this game by 3-1. So those are my predictions. If you don't agree with me, drop yours in the comment section. Okay, this is what's gonna happen if I'm wrong. If Orlando Pirates somehow wins this game, which I think is not gonna happen, I'm gonna have to be punished. Why am I being punished? Because I have brothers who support Orlando Pirates who are supporting this channel, and right now I'm going against their team. So what's the punishment? If Orlando Pirates scored 3 goals, I'm gonna do 60 push-ups. So it's 20 push-ups for each and every goal that they score. So that's the punishment. If they win 1-0, 20 push-ups. If they win 3-0, 60 push-ups. So that's the punishment. That's the game we're gonna be playing in this channel, because I have brothers who support Orlando Pirates, who seriously support this channel. So I have to give them something, yeah, and then we move on to a game of Sundowns. This game, Sundowns are coming into this game after a very comfortable win in the MTN 8. They were playing which team I forgot, but they won 4-0. It was a very comfortable win. I was watching the game, which is crazy that they are still winning 4-0 even without Roberto Costa, Mudau, important player. This shows that no matter which player leaves, they will still be that team that has a lot of quality, and they are a very strong team. So now they are playing against Chippa United, a struggling side. Hey, I think this game for Chippa United is going to be a very difficult, hard game. Chippa United, Yabantu Matoda, even without Roberto Costa and Mudau, Sundowns, I think this game should be an easy game for them. But bro, my predictions will be this: Chippa United to win 1-0. Yeah, those are my predictions. I think Chippa United are gonna come in this game as underdogs, obviously, because Sundowns are that team there that everyone knows that they are good and all that. And Sundowns, they probably gonna try and play the young players, Omar Bena, Okotwano, all those young players, because it's just a game against Chippa United. That's where they're gonna lose the game. Chippa United are gonna capitalize on that, destroy, humble, and embarrass this Mamelodi Sundowns team. And yeah, man, those are my prediction. If I lose, same thing I said I was gonna do if Orlando Pirates wins next. So if Sundowns wins by goals, I'm gonna do the push-ups next. So that's the challenge we're doing. Is season yonke. So that's what's happening, because I have brothers who support Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns in this channel. So that's what we're doing. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop your own thoughts in the comment section, and we're also following my Facebook page. I'm gonna post it somewhere here in the screen. I hope you guys are gonna follow it, because we have to grow it to at least 1K by the end of this month. So if you are not yet following that page, bro, you are an op. Okay, see you on the next one.